guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is this purple smoky look. Guys, as promised, I am going in with the Tis the Season palette, and we're using all the purple row this time, and we've just got one more row to use, and then I'm going to just like do a really creative look with all the colours. But we have used all of this row today. Every single colour in the purple row has been used. So yeah, this is the look that I have come up with. My eyes are really watering today, and I think it's because I'm pretty sure my eyelash glue is out of date, so I'm going to get another one, because the one that I'm using is really good, but I'm pretty sure it's out of date because it's making my eyes really irritated and red and like watery and stuff, and my eyes kept on watering and I couldn't put lash on properly, so it's not on perfect in that inner corner. But anyway, I wanted to get this look up for you guys. Already know I am actually uploading on a Wednesday and a Friday at 6 PM UK time. I'm going to try and make that my schedule so that I've got 2 videos up a week. I might put some extra videos up on a Sunday maybe, but we shall see. So yeah, this is this look. If you want to know how I created this look, then just keep watching. So as always, we're just taking our Louise base and we are just setting the eyelids with that. First off, I'm putting a little bit of a lip oil on. My lips are a bit dry. And as promised guys, we're going in with the purple row today. So we're using the Tis the Season palette and we're going in with this stunning row here. So I'm just going to take my first shade here, which is this light shade, and we are just putting that all over our eyelids. Now I'm just taking this shade here, which is called Gifting, and we're just going to go and do like our normal kind of cut crease. I wanted to do like a really light purple look, but then I wanted to use like the dark shimmer shade as well, so I just changed it up and I done like my normal kind of cut crease kind of style. So we're going in with that dark purple and we're just putting that in the outer corner of our eyes, just making sure that everything's nice and blended. Taking a little bit of a blank canvas and we're just cutting that crease, and this is just going to help our shimmers stick down a little bit better. So the first shimmer that I'm going to take is this light purple and it's called Fairy Lights, and it is absolutely stunning. It's so kind of shimmery and jewel chromy, like you can't really see it, but it actually in real life it's like so much nicer. Then we're just taking the dark shimmer as well, which is called Baubles, and we're just putting that in the outer corner as well. So we're doing like a kind of dark to light kind of transition here. Then I'm just darkening that outer corner with the darkest purple in this row. And we're just blending everything out so it's nice and seamless. Again, I'm just packing on these shimmers, they're absolutely stunning. Just applying a little bit of my Max Factor mascara. Then I'm applying these lashes. I think these are Louise ones. It was from like a little trio set that I had. So I put these on, but the band was quite thick, so I felt like I had to go over it with a liner. Now I'm just taking this concoction. We have MAC foundation and Revolution foundation. The MAC foundation had been in my drawer for a while and I just wanted to see what it was like, but it was a bit too orange, so I had to balance out that colour a little bit. So we're just going in with the Revolution foundation. This one is the Conceal and Define, so I'm a lot lighter in this, but I think the primer that I used was really helping as well, because somehow my skin just looks absolutely flawless. Don't know if you think so, but I just feel like it just looked absolutely flawless. We're taking the fine concealer and we're concealing and highlighting some of the areas that we want to there. I do also take a fine concealer in the shade 21, but it wasn't dark enough, so I just went in with a little bit of my bronzer wand from Doll Beauty. And I just blended all that out with my Real Techniques brush and my little Doll Beauty brush as well. Just taking some translucent powder now and I'm just setting that all in place. Then I'm going over the contour with some Benefit Hoola bronzer. really pressing it into the skin. Not gonna lie, my skin looks absolutely flawless here. Don't know if it was the mix of the foundation or if it was just the primer that I put down, because I did put the wee Cherie primer down just before I put my foundation on. So it might be that. This is me just applying some bronzer. I'm also taking a little bit of a Doll Beauty blush as well here. I think it's in High Flying. We're taking our trusty eyeliners, I absolutely love these guys, and we're just taking the white liner this time, and we're just going to put that in our waterline. Then I'm just gone back and I'm taking the darkest purple in this row, and we are just going to smoke out that lower lash line. Applying a little bit of mascara as well to the bottom lashes. Then just moving on to lips, I'm using Praline Lip Liner, Peaches and Cream. Then I'm going in with the Doll Beauty She's Nude Lip Gloss in the shade FOMO. And that is this look. I hope you guys love it. Stay tuned for my next one. It's coming on Friday.